Hi, here from Esquina, Naturaleza, we're sending you this video to all of you guys, especially for little girl Ty. Hi! We want to say hi to Ty. She wanted a video of my chicken, so here he is. Share it with your buddies, share it with your people, all the way from Tijuana. Here we got a hen that is setting an eggs. She's going to have some chickies pretty soon. And we have another nest back here. See if you can see it. See all those little dots? Those are eggs. We have a duck that is setting an eggs. She got about 15 of them. And here he goes. Here's some of our chickies running around loose. Here's our gallo gallina, our hishi. Here we got a mama with some new babies. Look at that, Ty. Huh? Another mama over here sitting. She will get some in about 12, 13 days. She'll get those. See, one with the long hair. Here's all the other little ones. Here's the ducks. Here's our new rooster that we got. And a hen, Chinese silky. See that? That Chinese silky. A sultans. With a rooster. More medium-sized babies. See that? Share, give it a thumbs up if you like it. We have another mama right here with some babies. See more babies. Couple more roosters. Another pollock. See right there. Little kikirikis. Here are kikirikis right here, a bunch of them. Another Chinese silky, a baby one. Like 2.5, 3 months old. Chinese silky. 6-month-old rooster. Real short little thing. Hi, Ty. See with that? Want to say hi to JJ? Want to say hi to Jackie? Little Javier Pelos, if he sees it, this video, will say hi to him. Another little pollock right here. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Share it so everybody can see it. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know. All the way from Tijuana. Another little video. This is Phoenix right there. That's our Phoenix. About 7 months old. All the way from Esquina, La Naturaleza and Tijuana. You get fresh juices, salads, fruit cocktails. There's a number. The only thing we don't have is no deliveries at this time of the year. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.